I thought I'd shoot a quick video. One thing I've noticed in our industry, it's a lot of companies sell fast, and honestly, fast in the home improvement industry should not be considered a positive. At Buresh Home Solutions, we constantly are looking for ways to improve our customers' experience, and fast is not the way to do that. Our goal is always to have a project go smoothly, be hassle-free, and no surprises. But honestly, that doesn't always happen. You know, this is an industry where surprises can happen, but we're ready to work with you and make it as painless as possible. After 21 years in this business, fast is not good. And this is why we have, for most of our services, our customers come into our showroom and look at the products that we're recommending, go through a production schedule, learn how they're installed. Yes, working with Buresh Home Solutions might take more time up front, but guess what? When we show up to do your job, we're ready to go because we've done all the due diligence prior to that. How many times do you think the companies who drive by when you're not at home do a quote? How many times do you think when it comes time to do the job, there's a surprise? Or how about doing the quote online? Do you think there's ever any surprises when they actually get to the job site and they see, oh no, we have to do this now, we have to do this, I didn't see this? You gotta believe it has to happen a lot. That's why we have our process in place, so we protect you from the surprises. Yes, it's gonna take you a little bit more time, but I promise you, most people who question coming in for a second, but do come in for a second, they appreciate it and they thank us for that. This is not an opportunity for us to do some hard pitch, hard close sales to you. This is just us wanting you to truly 100% understand exactly what you're gonna get. Again, our team at Buresh Home Solutions would love the opportunity to earn your business.